My name is Dr. Donna Glenn, and I've been an optometrist for 22 years. And I honestly didn't expect to be an optometrist. I was a biology major. A counselor my last year of school said, "What do you want to do with your degree?" I said, "I don't know." So I decided to explore different medical fields and different options, and optometry was one of them. I've enjoyed excellent vision my entire life, and I see well, I always did great, but I never had LASIK. But honestly, I referred a lot of patients for LASIK, and I would have done it. I would have done LASIK if I could have. I was a little jealous of my patients getting LASIK, having a great experience. You know, I always wondered what that felt like to go from not being able to see to being able to see. So I continued to refer patients, and in my late 40s, I started to need reading glasses. Presbyopia is when you have trouble reading. And that was frustrating for me. I didn't feel like myself. I was wearing reading glasses, I was wearing bifocals, and I just didn't feel great. So I found out Dr. Holzman was implanting a new inlay for reading, which is presbyopia is when you have trouble reading. So it was a new procedure for presbyopia, and I consulted him, found out I was a candidate, went right ahead with the surgery, didn't even look back or think twice about it, and I've been eyeglass free for 2 years now, and it's amazing. My pre-op and post-op visits for my procedure were very similar to LASIK, so I know what they're going through. Patients don't think I'll promote LASIK, but I do. The one thing I really appreciate about Dr. Holzman and his staff and his team of doctors is they are very conservative. They will not perform an operation on a patient or put a patient through surgery if they're not a good candidate. I find that that's what makes me committed to Dr. Holzman. I know if a patient comes in and they're a good candidate, they're likely to have a really great outcome. I have been treating my patients for 22 years, and if I'm going to entrust them to a surgeon to change their vision and to operate on their eyes, I want someone who's similar to me. So it's that trust factor. He sees a patient, he won't operate unless they are a good candidate, and he treats them with respect, and he takes excellent care of them. After a patient comes back to me for their one-day post-op, they're thrilled. They've enjoyed their entire experience at TLC. The staff, the doctors, Dr. Holzman, they just love his personality and his hand-holding. He holds hands if he needs to. Price does come up in the conversation, and patients want to discuss that, but I explain to them, you have one set of eyes, you want quality of care. You want to go to somewhere, to a doctor who is competent. Dr. Holzman is a corneal specialist. I explain that to them. They're going to be in great hands, and this is the place they should go. So they trust me. They know they can trust Dr. Holzman. They know they can trust TLC.